Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the MetaTrader 5 account login authorization issue. So if you're having trouble logging in, follow along step by step to solve it. All right, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly because a weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons for connection errors. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, if you're using Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Now, look for Manage Apps or App Management and open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type MetaTrader 5 to quickly find the MetaTrader 5 app. Once you see it, tap on MetaTrader 5 to open the app settings. Now tap on Force Stop and then tap OK to confirm. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then confirm. Next, tap Clear Data, then confirm. This will reset the app's temporary files and settings that might be causing the logging problem. If you're on iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app since iOS doesn't have a Clear Cache option. This removes old data and often fixes connection bugs. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for MetaTrader 5, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates usually fix bugs and server connection problems. After that, open your MetaTrader 5 app again and follow all the prompts. Most of the time, this will fix the login authorization issue right away. If the issue continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches that may block the app from connecting. Finally, if nothing works, the problem might be from your broker's server or the MetaTrader server itself. In that case, check with your broker or wait until the server is back online. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly fix your MetaTrader 5 login problem and get back to trading without any hassle.